Hello and welcome to Coin Lady channel. We'll be bringing you the most up-to-date and intriguing XP news. The tulip trading lawsuit brought by Craig Wright against several Bitcoin developers was recently given the green light to go to trial by the UK Court of Appeals. Even as Ripple is locked in a legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Xrp, computer scientist and self-described founder of Bitcoin, Craig Wright, has continued to criticize the Ripple ecosystem and its sponsors. In particular, a subset of Xrp enthusiasts calls itself the Xrp cult army and asserts that most users already know the token is destined to become a pyramid scheme. Secretary tweeted that Xrp supporters should keep an eye on the legal battle between his company, Tulip Trading, and 16 developers, which the court has decided to bring to trial in London. The developers have been accused of breaking their fiduciary duties by refusing to rewrite or alter the protocol code in order to provide the rightful owners with access to 111,000 bitcoins. For some reason, the Tulip trade case has drawn the attention of the Xrp cultist army. Those involved know this will put an end to the Ripple and Xrp pyramid schemes. He claims that a fraudulent scam will lead to the complete destruction of Xrp. And while the platform's stated goal is to facilitate international financial transactions, some have questioned the sincerity of the Ripple project as a whole. Wright has called Xrp a nasty joke and has argued that the assets should not be considered cryptocurrencies at all. Specifically, he has argued with members of the Ripple community on Twitter quite a few times, prompting him to doubt Xrp's long-term viability. According to Bold, Satoshi Nakamoto, who claims to be the creator of the Xrp cryptocurrency, called it a pointless pump and dump game. However, I'd like to share some information about Private Global with you today. Since its inception in 2018, the platform has expanded its services to private, worldwide, and complete growth, all of which have contributed significantly to the rise in cryptocurrency use around the world. Credit cards and bank transfers make it simple to open a personal global account and begin using cryptocurrency immediately. Thanks to the 50 million users among aggregators and cryptocurrency partners like CoinMarketCap, 1 million monthly active users, 3 million monthly visits, and 200,000 community members. If you sign up, you'll save 50% on transaction fees for the 200 most traded tokens, bringing the price down to just 0.3%. Additionally, you can earn 10% to 30% of your friends' earnings when you refer them to the referral program. Finally, you can get a basic understanding of cryptocurrency and possibly even some free coins by watching videos and answering quizzes. You now have access to all the details I just went over, as well as the registration link to claim your commission rebates. As Ripple is being discussed, the cryptocurrency industry is waiting for the outcome of the lawsuits against Ripple and SEC. Both sides have made their final arguments, and the case is now being reviewed by attorneys. The renowned legal scholar J.W. According to Vorik, the SEC acted in a Ponzi-like manner towards the Ripple network. While this is going on, there's been some debate over whether or not Wright is the anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto who developed Bitcoin. There is now an argument outside of the realm of cryptography. His PhD thesis has been accused of having substantial plagiarized passages. A federal court in West Palm Beach, Florida, found that he had wrongfully seized intellectual property and ordered him to pay $43 million to the joint venture he had co-founded. An animated debate over whether or not to sue over Bitcoin. After their most recent Twitter exchange, an engineering battle of wits broke out between self-proclaimed Satoshi Craig Wright and Ripple CTO David Schwartz. UDOT reports that a recent decision by the UK Court of Appeals has paved the way for a contentious legal dispute between Wright's tilting traders and some prominent Bitcoiners. The lawsuit was initially dismissed last year on the grounds that the coders or the Australian computer scientist had breached their fiduciary duties under English law by claiming that he was simply dealing with reality. Schwartz, however, deemed the lawsuit to be completely without merit. The CTO of Ripple claims that he is currently attempting to convince a judge to order developers to back him. And in the meantime, the alleged Satoshi claimed that Schwartz was trying to maintain the charade. The appeals court upheld the appeal, stating that there are multiple compelling reasons to do so and that the claim presents a difficult issue that needs to be litigated. The lawsuit arose from the claim that the plaintiff had billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin stolen from a wallet associated with the failed anti-Xrp'S exchange. Xrp'S has criticized Wright's use of the law to force developers to back him in the ongoing public debate, calling it abuse of the legal system. While unusual, the lawsuit does raise questions about the extent to which blockchain developers should comply with court orders and the value of open debate in a representative democracy. There is talk that the court case will be a watershed moment in the history of the blockchain community. I also wanted to discuss the applications of Xrp today. The forecasts of expert market analysts for Xrp will also be analyzed. If you want to be among the first to know about any Xrp-related news, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check the box for push notifications. Former Ripple Director of Developer Relations Matt Hamilton dispelled some myths about the use of Xrp in the cryptocurrency industry. After one of his followers spread misinformation that RippleNet was using Xrp, Hamilton clarified the situation. The cryptocurrency programmer started off by stating that RippleNet does not use Xrp. The Xrp ledger, which is part of the Xrp ecosystem, is completely separate from the Ripple network. If for some reason you are unable to use Xrp on the Ripple network, you can still put it to use in a roundabout way, on-demand liquidity. ARTL facilitates Bitcoin transfers with Xrpl. To be clear, as Hamilton explains, the Xrp price would fluctuate if transactions were conducted directly over the Ripple network due to the market forces of supply and demand. However, contrary to previously debunked myths, the developer asserts that there is neither a public nor a private price for Xrp in the latter's location. Moreover, the coin has no value on Ripple networks. Due to the lack of recent developments in SEQV, Ripple, the leak went unnoticed. The Xrp market was abandoned to the mercy of the crypto industry at large. The decline in Xrp's value can be attributed in large part to the market's anticipation of stricter government and regulatory oversight as well as the Federal Reserve's monetary policies. Despite the negative session, Xrp held above 40 cents, suggesting that investors are optimistic about the outcome of the SEQV Ripple lawsuit. However, the increase has been sustained, and on January 24, Xrp reached a high of 43 cents. Despite the lack of news regarding the ongoing legal battle between the SEC and Ripple, the cryptocurrency market as a whole will be affected today. To stay informed, investors should subscribe to Silvergate FTX and Genesis News. The cryptocurrency industry will be hampered by the ongoing discussion of regulatory issues and the resulting lack of clarity that this uncertainty creates. Xrp is currently trading at 40 cents x, down 0.59%. Throughout the morning, Xrp's price swung wildly from a high of 41 cents to a low of 39 cents. The Xrp graph is developing into an eye-popping pattern. While the 24-month downtrend must be overcome, bullish momentum is not yet strong enough to push the price above the 200-day moving average. It's what we call the Litecoin effect in our premium research service. In any case, Xrp is clearly gearing up for a major breakout, which we expect to occur no later than April of this year. The Litecoin effect, if you will. The descending trend line that dominated the Dow is easy to recall in case you forgot. The Litecoin effect ended the slump in 2022. Due to its apparent simplicity, it is often overlooked by traders. Xrp's ambiguity has been discussed to no avail further, so I'll just say that this is not a wrap. It was predictable that some tokens would rise in value more than others. On the chart, Xrp is also forming a long-term triangle within this triangle. The formation of a W is obvious. The combination of these two chart characteristics is bullish. In the near future, we anticipate a possible opportunity to acquire Xrp. Midway through February to mid-March is the next volatility window, which could offer a buy-the-dip opportunity if Xrp respects the 0.34 level on a 3 to 5 day closing basis. If it doesn't, that could mean the bullish setup has been debunked. Guys, this is it, the video is over. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications. I think this is a huge help to YouTube's algorithm. If you have been enlightened by this video, please share it with as many people as you can so that they can benefit from it as much as you have. Get the word out, guys. If you're truly passionate about Bitcoin, you shouldn't miss any of our content. Please like and subscribe the channel. See you later, bye.